Hi everyone, welcome to our video. Today we are going to look how to delete the unwanted YouTube channel. So first open it Google in Chrome, then open and sign in YouTube channel. After that just you pick it this icon and just scroll down. Yeah, here one setting icon is there, just pick that one, and after that this side if you look advanced setting, just pick it that, and after that just scroll down, and after that delete channel, pick it that one. For that verification, now asking the email password, just you provide your email password. Now your password has been verified for that email. Now I want to hide my channel, I want to delete my content, so I'm going to select the second one because I'm going to delete my content permanently. So I'm going to tick mark on both boxes, and then I'm going to give delete my content here. Then it's asking again one more time our mail id, so you have to give your mail id here. So okay, delete my content here. So it shows us remove YouTube content, your content is being deleted. So that's it. So thank you very much for the watching my video. I will be giving more videos in future. Thank you very much. Bye.